Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So this is Anisha this side and this is happening after such a long time. Well, today's video is gonna be a DIY video where I'm just tie-dyeing 3 of my old t-shirts. Now I'm just using old t-shirts because I'm doing this for the first time. So we are gonna do it for the first time, and in fact there's this trend going on right now, like on all shopping sites you can just see these tie-dye t-shirts trending. So I just thought to just try it at home and see how it's gonna turn out to be like. Okay, so we are gonna try 3 methods. I've just picked all this from the internet, and this is the simplest. So this is the simplest one, trust me. So, and we are gonna use everything that's available at home, and that's gonna be fun. So let's get into the video. Okay, so for the first DIY, we are gonna take this white t-shirt. This is my brother's t-shirt which he has never used it, so I don't know why he bought it, but we are gonna use it right now. And before we start, I'm just boiling this turmeric water. There is 6 teaspoons of turmeric which I have added and 2 teaspoons of salt, and I'm just mixing it and letting it to boil. So let's keep it for boiling and let's fold our t-shirt. I have just dipped this t-shirt into a bowl of water and I'm just folding it likewise. The best part is we don't need this so many things to do it. It's just the rubber band, and now I'm just gonna tie the rubber bands at equal distances just like this so that we get that pattern. By this time the water had boiled. Now all we need to do is we need to dip that t-shirt into the turmeric water and just leave it for like overnight, or 6 to 7 hours will also do. Rising up like phoenixes, been tired of pushed down the ground, speaking my heart like it really is, 'cause I can't take another no. I see, now for the second DIY, I'm gonna take this black t-shirt. Now I'm gonna firstly dip this t-shirt into a bowl of water. Now why I'm dipping this in a bowl of water is so that the color spreads equally into the t-shirt, and later I'm just gonna pinch it from the middle and gonna do the spiral folding. Now once that's done, we are gonna secure it with these rubber bands. I got my lows, I got my highs, moving on close to my goal. Time is now, place is here to rest, filling the holes of my soul. Now this is just for fun, I'm doing it. I've just folded the pant into one side and I'm just folding it like this. And I just thought to make, I just thought to make a set of tie-dye clothes. So basically we are going to try that with Rin. So Rin, or we call it as Ala as well, and this we can get it on store. This comes for ₹30 and this is going to show the magic. So we are going to pour the Ala into the t-shirts that we have folded. So this is how it turned out to be. Like after 20 minutes it has started discoloring now itself, but this is how it is after half an hour. So this is the exact colors that I was looking out for, and I'm so damn excited. Yay! DIY, I'm using fabric colors. Like I remember in school during craft, we used to use this fabric color on clothes. So I just hope it just stays. I'm very skeptical about this idea, using fabric colors, but try करने में क्या जा रहा है. So I'm just trying it. Let's try and see how it's gonna turn out to be. Now for this method, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use Fabrica acrylic colors. Here I have taken blue, red and yellow colors. What the idea behind this is, we are going to make watercolors. I'm going to take a little paint and we are going to add water and make a mixture of that. Similarly, we are going to do it for yellow and red as well. My actual idea to do this was with onion peels, where you need to boil these onion peels, and which will give you an extracted pink color water, and you need to dip that t-shirt into that. But I didn't save a lot of onion peels, so that didn't work. So let's try this fabric paints. So for this, I am going to use this white t-shirt, and this is a t-shirt that I've never worn because it's kind of very light. So let's put some colors and just see how it turns out to be. So for this method, I'm just using a different technique of folding. So I just want to mention, whatever kind of folding that you are making, it doesn't need to be very perfect, because it's again tie-dye. There is patterns, the colors are going to spread anyway, so it's okay. And in fact, that's the best part, it doesn't need to be perfect. So once the folding is done, I'm just lightly securing it with a rubber band. For the previous one, I was doing it very tightly, but here I'm just gonna tie it and let the color spread more. Also, there are a hell lot of tie-dye folding techniques available on the internet, so you can just choose however you want your t-shirt pattern to look like. In fact, doing it at home is really easy and you can save a lot of money. Now all we need to do is pour that watercolor into our t-shirt. Now that we have 3 colors, I'm using this pattern and being very skeptical about how it's gonna turn out to be. I am keeping this overnight so that the color stays and spreads properly. So I absolutely loved how it turned out to be. Like, I really wasn't expecting, but the black one, it turned out to be perfect, like the one we see on the shopping site. It's like a one-day DIY activity at home, so it was fun. It was really fun. To be very frank, I have washed it and everything was perfect. But for the fabric one, the last one we tried, the color has dulled a little bit, and about everything else is like perfect. Well, that's all for today's video, guys. If you like this video, you know the drill. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite, and do send me pictures if you are trying this at home. Do send me pictures on my social media. The link to all my social media handles is there on the description box. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And yeah, that's all for today's video. I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.